Good evening, everyone. As we joyously prepare to celebrate this year's Harvest Festival, let's delve into the enchanting world of Onam's cultural expressions, dance, music, and folklore. This immersive exploration not only offers a glimpse into the traditions of Kerala, but also unity, diversity, and creativity that define this auspicious occasion.
As we gather to mark this joyful occasion, please welcome Class 4th winners. Let's set the stage alight with the enchanting tunes that capture the essence of the Onam. Please give a big round of applause for them. Please welcome Class 4th winner students.
ഇനി നമ്മക്കൊരു കാര്യം ചെയ്യാം. ആ കർമ്മങ്ങൾ അങ്ങോട്ട് നടത്താം. അപ്പൊ വിളിക്കാനുള്ളവരൊക്കെ വിളിക്കും, പറയാനുള്ളവരോടൊക്കെ പറയും. നടക്കട്ടെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നല്ല ഞെരിപ്പായിട്ട്. ഇനി സമയങ്ങൾ കളയണ്ട. ടേപ്പെന്ന് പൊട്ടിട്ട് ബെല്ലാരി ബാമ്പ.
പലകാലം നീ വാഴ് കടലും കരയും ഇന്നിളക്കമല്ലേ സമയം നിലയ്ക്കുവാനൊരുക്കമല്ലേ ഇതിനും സുദിനമല്ലേ ആഹാർമാദം ആർന്നും മർമാദം ആർക്കു പൊന്തട്ടെ ആഘോഷം പ്രകമ്പനം ആഹാർമാദം ആർക്കും മർമാദം ആർക്കു പൊന്തട്ടെ ആഘോഷ പ്രകമ്പനം എവിടെ തുളി കൊട്ടെന്താളമെന്നെവിടെ ഇടമ്പുകളെവിടെ തുണി
రాజమండ్రి రాగమంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోళ్ళు లేరు మేస్తిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి నే గజ్జ కడితే నిద్రపోదు నిండు రాత్రి
సోకులాడి స్వప్న సుందరి నీ మడత సూపు మా పటేల మల్లె పందిరి రచ్చరాజు గుండె రూపిని నీ పంక చూస్తే గుండెలోన డీరిడిరి
రసిక రాజువో మరి నా దాసు బావ నీతో ఎప్పుడింత కిరికిరి ఏ రసిక రాజువో మరి నా దాసు బావ నీతో ఎప్పుడింత కిరికిరి
కుర్చీని మాట్లాడబెట్టి